Hello kids, today me and you were around the world to learn about birds. Would you like to learn about them?
Yes.
Yes. Let's learn about them and show their names and show their bird names what they are. And let's go look them up what their names are. Here we go. Flamingo.
Say it to me.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
More flamingos. Looks like we need to feed the flamingos some krill. Hello.
Nightingale. Say it to me. Nightingale.
Nightingale.
Ostrich. Say it to me. Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Catch Ben! Catch Ben!
Yeah. Peacock.
Yeah.
Say it to me. Peacock.
Peacock.
Scared me.
Go feed him, go up there.
Umbrella bird. Say it to me. Umbrella bird.
Umbrella bird.
Xenops. Say it to me. Xenops.
Xenops.
Little.
Ibis. Say it to me. Ibis.
Ibis.
Yeah. The ibis also look like the flamingos.
Penguin. Say it to me. Penguin.
Penguin.
Turkey. Say it to me. Turkey.
Turkey.
Vulture. Say it to me. Vulture.
Vulture.
From his airplane.
Emu. Say it to me. Emu. Jackdaw. Say it to me. Jackdaw.
Jackdaw.
Kiwi. Say it to me. Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Owl. Say it to me. Owl.
Owl.
Mice. They hunt for mosquitoes.
Quail.
No, I just learned to work on these.
Say it to me. Quail.
Quail.
Hang on now. Let's do this in reality. I don't want to dream anymore.
What's that female
Let's
quail?
flip it. Here we go.
What are you
Find me
doing?
the distributor.
I don't know what's that doing. I do not want to know.
Taking a component. We're gonna go to
Eagle.
markets. We're gonna carry a bunch of stuff.
Say it to me. Eagle.
Eagle.
Hen. Say it to me. Hen.
Hen.
Ew, what is that?
Ooh, what do I spy?
Is it an egg?
Did I spy something white? Is it a bullet train?
I think I see something white.
Is it a window?
What is that?
Is it an egg? Yes. It is.
Kingfisher. Say it to me. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Quetzal. Say it to me. Quetzal.
It's
That's
not a
Quetzal whiteboard.
It's a parrot. It's a parrot.
To be domesticated with our pets. Talk to parrots. And parrots can repeat after us. Alright.
Woodpecker. Say it to me. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Thank you for learning my birds. Until you like animals or the objects, click in the subscribe bell until you like objects. See you next time. Bye-bye.